Texas Best Flooring Company with another product review from Eleganza's contemporary product series. In that series there's 17 collections. This is the 4th collection in that collection. It's the Digiquartz collection, and once again this is just a sample board, but the tile itself comes in 18 by 18 or 12 by 24. So this is the first color. This is your Luxor Beige, and as you can tell there's some accent pieces and things like that you can go on our website. You can see all the different access pieces that are available at texasbestflooringcompany.com. This is the next one in the Digiquartz collection. This is the Perla Marina. As you can tell, this has some 2x2s mixed in here. And then of course this would be like a Bullnose piece. You can always get free samples at texasbestflooringcompany.com, or you can call us and we'll go ahead and just ship that directly to your home. We sell and ship worldwide. If you're next to one of our distribution centers, you don't have to pay for shipping. If you're in California, you can go pick it up. Illinois, New Jersey, Texas, working on Florida. The last and final color in the collection is the Digiquartz Giallo Imperiale. This looks like real quartz. And this is has a PEI rating of 5, which means you can use this for commercial applications as well as residential. And it has a color variation of 3. So, if you like anything you see, go ahead and contact us. We'll assist you with this product. If you are in Texas, we can do a turnkey installation as well. Come out and measure your house, give you the exact price for labor, exact price for material, get you installed. Usually our turnaround time is about 48 hours. To give us a call, order the product, most of it's in stock. So if you have a flooring product or a flooring need, don't hesitate to call us at Texas Best Flooring Company, because we love our customers and we love our job. This is David with Texas Best Flooring Company. You have a great day.